Cherries are one of those rare foods that feel like a treat but function like medicine, a perfect fusion of flavor and function. With their deep crimson color, lush sweetness, and smooth, taut skin, cherries are a pleasure to eat. But beneath that indulgent taste lies a complex nutritional profile, full of powerful compounds that support the body in subtle, yet transformative ways. They may be small, but cherries are among the most impressive fruits when it comes to natural healing and restoring balance. One of the most extraordinary benefits of cherries is their anti-inflammatory power. The rich color of cherries is no accident. It signals the presence of anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants that have been studied extensively for their ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. These compounds act as natural modulators, helping to calm an overactive immune response and relieve the kind of chronic, low-grade inflammation that underlies many of today's most common health conditions, such as arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and metabolic syndrome. For individuals who live with joint pain, muscle fatigue, or autoimmune disorders, incorporating cherries into the diet can provide gentle, consistent relief that doesn't come with the side effects of synthetic medications. What sets cherries apart is how their benefits are felt both immediately and over time. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts, for example, often turn to cherries, especially tart cherry juice, after intense workouts to ease muscle soreness and speed recovery. This isn't just folk wisdom. It's backed by science. Studies have shown that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds in cherries help reduce muscle damage and accelerate repair, leading to less stiffness and quicker return to full strength. This makes cherries a natural, effective recovery aid, offering the kind of muscle support that is clean, delicious, and sustainable. But the gifts of cherries extend beyond the physical. They also support one of the most essential pillars of good health: sleep. Cherries are one of the few foods that naturally contain melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating the body's sleep-wake cycle. While melatonin supplements are commonly used to combat insomnia or jet lag, cherries provide this compound in its natural form, along with a synergistic array of nutrients and antioxidants that enhance its effect. Consuming cherries, especially in the evening, has been shown to improve sleep quality and duration, helping the body fall asleep more easily and stay asleep more deeply. For people struggling with restless nights or disrupted circadian rhythms, cherries offer a gentle, nourishing solution that supports the body's own rhythms rather than overriding them. This ability to promote restful sleep has broader implications. Sleep is not just about rest. It is the body's most powerful tool for healing and regeneration. When we sleep well, hormones rebalance, tissues repair, and the brain clears away toxins. Poor sleep, by contrast, is associated with higher levels of stress, reduced immunity, and increased risk of chronic disease. By improving sleep quality, cherries play a quiet but vital role in overall wellness, enhancing not just how we feel at night, but how we function during the day. Beyond their antioxidant and sleep-enhancing properties, cherries are also rich in fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and other micronutrients that contribute to long-term health. Their natural sugars are balanced by fiber, which helps slow the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing the kind of sharp spikes and crashes that can come from processed sweets. This makes cherries a thoughtful choice for maintaining balanced energy levels, satisfying cravings, and supporting metabolic health without sacrificing enjoyment. Their potassium content, meanwhile, supports heart health by helping regulate blood pressure, fluid balance, and muscle function. And then there's the sheer joy of eating cherries. There's something primal and satisfying about pulling the stem from a perfectly ripe cherry, feeling its weight in your hand, and tasting that burst of sweet, slightly tart juice. It's a sensory experience that feels luxurious and grounding all at once. Cherries are a food that connects us to nature, to the seasons, to our senses. They bring a feeling of celebration and ease, reminding us that health doesn't have to be complicated. It can come in the form of something as simple and beautiful as a bowl of ripe fruit. Whether eaten fresh by the handful, baked into desserts, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed as juice, cherries offer an effortless way to nourish the body and uplift the spirit. They are nature's way of saying that healing and pleasure can coexist, that the things we crave can also be the things that sustain us. In every bite, cherries deliver antioxidants, reduce inflammation, ease pain, improve sleep, and elevate mood, all while tasting like summer itself. Choosing cherries is more than a nutritional decision, it's a gesture of self-care. It's a way of feeding the body and soothing the mind, of honoring both strength and rest. In a world that often encourages us to push harder, sleep less, and ignore the body's signals, cherries offer a delicious invitation to slow down, recover, and replenish. They are not just a food, they are a reminder that vitality can be sweet, simple, and profoundly satisfying.